Welcome back. We are discussing social media marketing, and so far we have talked about Facebook marketing and Twitter marketing. But now we have very interesting platform and very popular platform of social media marketing, that is LinkedIn. So we have very exclusive module for LinkedIn marketing that we are going to start today. So under this module, you will specifically learn why LinkedIn marketing. We will talk about how to create LinkedIn profile, how to create LinkedIn pages, and finally I will talk about how to design and monitor various LinkedIn advertising campaigns. So if you are ready, so then let us start. So firstly I will talk about basic introduction to the LinkedIn platform. So this platform is usually called the professionals platform. So LinkedIn is a worldwide largest professional network. So it is different from Facebook, it is different from Twitter, it is different from Instagram. And the key thing is here, it is the network of professionals. When you are on LinkedIn, you will meet the professionals from your own domain and you can connect with them and you can further grow your image, your business, as well as your service network. So let us have a brief idea about how large the LinkedIn platform is. So as of now, there are 722 plus million members on this very platform connected with each other, and you can well imagine how big it is. It is operating in 200 countries and it was started in 2003 by Reid Hoffman. So this was just a basic information about LinkedIn. But one thing is very sure, that LinkedIn is not a platform similar to other platforms. There are key features that make the LinkedIn platform different from other social media platforms. On LinkedIn platform, you will be judged or you will be perceived as a professional. So it means there is no scope for sharing of your personal stories, your personal events, or your personal connection with others. So here everything works in the professional kind of things. You can share your opinions, you can share your thoughts, you can share your knowledge, and you can write the articles on this LinkedIn profile. And very one common thing is here, your profile on the LinkedIn platform is usually considered as your resume. So now it is up to you that how you want to portray yourself on the LinkedIn and how it will be perceived by others as a professional. So now the question arises that why should we use the LinkedIn platform for the purpose of marketing? So there are very important points that you can't miss the LinkedIn platform from your social media marketing portfolio. So let us see why we should use the LinkedIn for our marketing. Now the very first thing which I said, that LinkedIn is very huge platform. And here you can see, according to this report, although it is too old report, and 4 out of 5 members, they drive the business decisions. And it is a number 1 platform for the lead generation. So you can't miss the LinkedIn platform to be used for the marketing purpose. So you can generate the leads, you can drive the website traffic and build the brand awareness through the LinkedIn advertising. Now another thing, you can create your own LinkedIn pages. We have talked about LinkedIn pages in the Facebook, where you can create or establish your brand through the pages, and you can share your happenings, your events, and so many other things through the LinkedIn pages. So we will talk about LinkedIn pages, how to create the LinkedIn pages. We will talk about it in a while. Now another important thing about LinkedIn platform, similar to the Facebook, it has its own advertising platform where you can create the sponsored content, sponsored messaging, text ads, dynamic ads, video ads, and so many other forms of ads you can create and you can target the audience the way we were targeting it in the Facebook. Further, so you have the dedicated campaign manager in the LinkedIn, from where you can set your campaign goals, budget, you can stop or you can start your advertising campaigns. So this is a single platform or a single place from where your entire advertising plans or campaigns can be monitored and controlled there. So I think this is all about the LinkedIn. So we will talk about in the coming parts of this module that how to work on LinkedIn just for the purpose of marketing. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.